Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. As I used to click on the hint like in the Palo or Ruby Room or Office, so here today we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury. So as I used to provide it daily, if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's click on this section so that our code will be shown for us. So let's click on it. So the code for the day, it is not going to be showing for here, so it's going to be showing here, like as you can see, like often network, which is done. So let's come for a quest so that I should import it and confirm the code. Let's come for activities here always, and then let's enter our code. So here let's write our code, which is often network, which is done. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So as you can see, like we have been imported the correct code. So let's claim our point. So here it is. So as I promised to provide it daily, so if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.